Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to one of the most stunning cities on Earth? Get ready to explore Vancouver, Canada, a place where majestic mountains meet the vibrant Pacific and urban sophistication blends seamlessly with wild natural beauty. This video is brought to you by Bella Access. If you've not subscribed, kindly do so. Kindly like, share, and click on the notification bell. Imagine having a personal guide perfectly distilling all the amazing things you absolutely must experience. That's exactly what we're going to dive into today, uncovering the very best of Vancouver, meticulously curated just for you. We're talking about key attractions, hidden gems, and those truly unforgettable moments that define a trip. Vancouver is a city that consistently ranks among the world's most livable and beautiful. Let's kick things off right in the heart of the action, downtown Vancouver. This is where the city's pulse beats strongest, with towering skyscrapers, bustling streets, and an incredible array of shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. Just a short stroll away is Gastown, Vancouver's oldest neighborhood. Its cobblestone streets, Victorian architecture, and iconic steam clock transport you back in time. Gastown is a fantastic spot for unique boutiques, art galleries, and some of the city's most atmospheric dining experiences. Nearby, you'll discover the modern elegance of Yaletown, a revitalized warehouse district now home to chic restaurants, trendy bars, and waterfront patios. It's perfect for an evening. Vancouver is complete without exploring Stanley Park, an absolute jewel and one of the largest urban parks in North America. This magnificent green space spans over 1,000 acres, offering an incredible escape from the city hustle. The seawall, a paved pathway encircling the park, is perfect for walking, jogging, or cycling. Rent a bike and cruise along the water's edge, soaking in panoramic views of the city skyline, the North Shore Mountains, and the expansive Pacific Ocean. It's truly an exhilarating experience, with fresh sea air and stunning vistas at every turn. These intricately carved poles offer a glimpse into the rich indigenous history and artistry of the region. There are also tranquil lakes, vibrant rose gardens, and even the Vancouver Aquarium, making Stanley Park a full-day destination for every type of traveler. The city is a melting pot of cultures, and its cuisine reflects this incredible diversity. You'll find everything from innovative farm-to-table restaurants to authentic ethnic eateries and bustling food markets. Granville Island Public Market is an absolute must-visit for any food enthusiast. This vibrant market is a feast for the senses, overflowing with fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, baked goods, and delectable prepared foods. Beyond just a short drive across the iconic Lions Gate Bridge, the North Shore Mountains beckon with incredible outdoor adventures. The Capilano Suspension Bridge Park is another iconic North Shore attraction. Walk across the thrilling 450-foot-long, 230-foot-high suspension bridge suspended over the Capilano River. For more hiking and serene natural beauty, Cypress Provincial Park and Mount Seymour offer miles of trails for all skill levels, plus incredible viewpoints overlooking the city and ocean. These mountains truly highlight Vancouver's unique blend of urban sophistication and wild, untamed nature. Vancouver is a city rich in cultural experiences, reflecting its diverse population and vibrant art scene. Explore its many museums, galleries, and cultural districts to get a deeper understanding of this dynamic metropolis. The Vancouver Art Gallery, located in the heart of downtown, features an impressive collection of Canadian and international art, including a significant collection by iconic British Columbia artist British Columbia, adding another layer of adventure to your Vancouver experience. Throughout the year, Vancouver hosts a variety of festivals and events, celebrating everything from film and music to food and culture. To make your Vancouver adventure even smoother, here are a few practical tips. The public transportation system, TransLink, is excellent, with SkyTrain, SeaBus, and bus services connecting major attractions. Finally, embrace the friendly and laid-back West Coast vibe. Vancouverites are known for their love of the outdoors and their welcoming spirit. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible tapestry of experiences that await you in Vancouver. From the vibrant city streets to the serene natural landscapes, from culinary delights to cultural treasures, this city truly has something for everyone. It's a destination that promises adventure, relaxation, and memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine immersing yourself in all these experiences, knowing you have a meticulously crafted guide, highlighting every essential detail and unique feature. That's the power of having all the best information at your fingertips, making your travel planning seamless and your trip unforgettable. We are so excited for you to discover the magic of Vancouver. Pack your bags, bring your sense of wonder, and get ready for an extraordinary journey. Another wonderful opportunity to admire Vancouver's expansive and beautiful waterfront. Here you can enjoy observing the diverse array of boats that proudly call this marina home. Each vessel seems to have its own story to tell, resting peacefully in the calm waters. This series of marinas offers a comprehensive look at Vancouver's thriving maritime community. It showcases how the city embraces its coastal environment, providing both leisure and livelihood. Now, let's step back in time as we venture into Gastown, Vancouver's oldest and most character-filled neighborhood. Of course, no visit to Gastown is complete without experiencing its iconic steam clock. Together, these elements create a unique and utterly captivating atmosphere throughout Gastown. As we wander, take time to explore the diverse local establishments that thrive here. You'll find an array of get ready to ignite your senses and dive headfirst into the pulsating heart of Vancouver after sundown. We're talking about a place that truly caters to every taste and preference, no matter what you're seeking. When the sun dips below the horizon, Vancouver doesn't just rest, it transforms. It comes alive with an energy, a creativity, and a cosmopolitan flair that you simply have to witness to believe. Prepare to be swept away into a world where every corner holds a new discovery, a fresh beat, or an unforgettable moment. This is Vancouver, unleashed. Picture this: the iconic Vancouver cityscape, a dazzling array of lights shimmering against the inky canvas of the night sky. Skyscrapers pierce the darkness, reflecting the vibrant energy radiating from below. It's a breathtaking welcome to the urban playground. Our city is blessed with a stunning natural backdrop, where mountains meet ocean, creating an unparalleled atmosphere. Even after dark, the majestic outlines of the North Shore Mountains stand guard, adding a dramatic flair to our nocturnal adventures. This unique blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty sets the stage for an extraordinary night out. Now, let's dive headfirst into the very heart of the action. Imagine the electric hum of the city, pulling you deeper into its rhythm. From bustling sidewalks to hidden alleyways, every path leads to excitement. Feel the pulse of the city through its vibrant atmosphere, each one a part of Vancouver's captivating evening narrative. This is where your night truly begins. Vancouver boasts several incredible districts, each with its own distinct flavor, perfect for whatever kind of night you're craving. Offering everything from massive nightclubs where you can dance until dawn to cozy pubs perfect for a casual drink. Next on our tour, we journey to the historic and undeniably charming Gastown. Gastown is renowned for its stylish cocktail lounges, upscale restaurants, and unique boutiques that stay open late. Both Granville Street and Gastown are presented as absolute hubs of activity, drawing in crowds from all walks of life. These districts are constantly teeming with people, all enjoying themselves, creativity thriving within our city. Beyond local talent, Vancouver regularly hosts an impressive lineup of international acts, drawing global stars to our stages. These venues fill the air with electrifying sounds, creating an atmosphere that's truly unforgettable. The energy at a live show here is contagious, pulling you into the moment. It's more than just listening, it's experiencing music with a passionate crowd. If crafted cocktails and sophisticated sips are more your style, Vancouver's bar and lounge scene is second to none. Step into these havens of haute beverages and watch a skilled mixologist transform spirits into liquid art. These bars offer incredible menus of creative concoctions, from classic drinks perfected to unique experimental blends you won't find anywhere else. For those seeking a more relaxed and sophisticated ambiance, Vancouver's intimate lounges provide the perfect escape. Picture plush seating, soft lighting, and a curated soundtrack, all designed to create an atmosphere of refined comfort. You'll find everything from bustling diners serving up comfort food classics to trendy restaurants offering sophisticated post-midnight menus. Many establishments extend their kitchen hours knowing that great nights often end with great food. And let's not forget the incredible food truck scene that often pops up after dark, especially in key entertainment areas. From gourmet grilled cheese to authentic tacos, sizzling skewers to sweet treats, food trucks offer quick, delicious options for your late-night cravings. Vancouver's vibrant spirit extends far beyond just bars and clubs, offering truly unique experiences that cater to every interest. We're talking about an enriching blend of culture, entertainment, and exhilarating events that make this city truly special. Your nights here can be truly diverse. For those seeking intellectual stimulation or a good laugh, Vancouver's arts and culture scene shines brightly after dark. You can catch incredible comedy shows featuring both local rising stars and nationally touring acts. Prepare for side-splitting laughter and unforgettable performances. Our city's theaters also come alive with a variety of theatrical performances, from dramatic plays to experimental works. Beyond regular shows, keep an eye out for unique themed events that pop up throughout the year. These events showcase the incredible creativity and artistic pulse of Vancouver, offering a richer, more diverse nighttime experience. For the sports fanatics, Vancouver brings the electric energy of a live game to your nightlife experience. Catching a major league sporting event under the stadium lights is an adrenaline rush like no other. Imagine being surrounded by thousands of passionate fans, all united in their support for the home team. The atmosphere inside the arena or stadium is absolutely electric, charged with anticipation and excitement. It's an unforgettable collective experience. Whether it's a thrilling hockey game, an intense basketball match, or a high-stakes soccer game, the energy is palpable. The cheers, the chants, the collective gasp, it all adds up to a truly immersive and thrilling night out. Get ready to lose your voice. These events showcase Vancouver's deep-seated love for sports and its vibrant community spirit. This journey through Vancouver's nightlife is more than just a visual tour. It's an invitation to experience the very soul of the city. Vancouver truly highlights its diversity and vibrancy in every corner of its nocturnal landscape. From the energetic dance floors to the quiet, sophisticated lounges, from gourmet late-night bites to thrilling live sports, there's a place for everyone here. This city welcomes all. It's a place that continually proves its ability to offer something for everyone, regardless of their interests or background. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a culture enthusiast, a food lover, or just looking to relax, Vancouver delivers. Your perfect night is waiting. This entire experience is a celebration of the city's infectious energy and its thriving cultural scene. It's a testament to how Vancouver embraces life, creativity, and connection long after the sun has set. Come feel the pulse of this incredible city. This is your personal invitation to experience the magic of Vancouver after the sun goes down. Come discover the hidden gems, dance to new beats, savor incredible flavors, and create unforgettable memories. Your adventure starts now. Don't just visit Vancouver, live it, especially when the stars come out to play. You won't regret it. If you've not subscribed to Bella Access, kindly do so. And don't forget to leave comments.